What's going on YouTube? Today I'm coming at you with the video. We'll be detailing this Ford F-250 for a customer. As we walk around the outside from the beginning, you can see the wheel wells, wheels, tires, everything. Just a little dirty, not super muddy by any means. They also wanted us to clean out the bed for them. They have some mud. Just gonna get that cleaned out. They're actually going to be putting a cap on this truck. So they wanted that all cleaned out before they get that cap put on. Paint doesn't look all that bad, just your typical dirt. Take a look on the inside here. The inside, you can see they have the rubber floor mats. So these things will be pretty easy to clean out. Besides that, just a little bit of vacuuming on the doors. Pretty dusty, got a little bit of dog hair. Shouldn't take me too long to clean up. And then the seats. Just gonna clean up this leather a little bit. Get some life back into it. So yeah, I'll keep you updated with the process here. These wheel wells, I'm not sure. Yeah, these things are carpet, so they'll take a little bit longer. Front doesn't have too many bugs or anything, so it should clean up fairly easy. I'll keep you updated with the process. All right, step one, we're just gonna take the shop vac, go everything, sweep up all this junk, and we'll tune back in with you in a little bit. We're also gonna toss these out and get the pressure washer on them, and we'll scrub them down. All right, I've been working at the truck here for a little bit. You can take a look inside. We got everything swept. Wow, that was bad English. So we got everything swept out. We did wipe down everything a little bit. So looking pretty clean now. Up front. Oh, there we go. Swept everything, cleaned the leather seats. Everything's looking pretty good. Got the cup holder inserts and everything cleaned up too. Put those back in at the end. Keep hugging away. Okay, so we got all the wheels cleaned on the truck outside. So next up, we're going to wash the body of the truck. So I have here my chemical guys, honeydew snow foam, and I have that in the foam cannon also. And I have a bucket here with grit guard and also some soap in there so that we don't put any scratches onto the paint. So we're gonna get to work with this. All right, we got the truck poured in here, just drying off here a little bit. It's coming together pretty well. These fender liners took forever to get clean. You can see there's still some grass on them, but all the mud's out of there, so we'll just have to pick that off then. Wheels came out pretty good. Paint turned out nice. And the inside is just about wrapped up. All right, now that the truck's completely dry, we're gonna take some of our glass cleaner and a microfiber, and we're gonna get all the glass cleaned up here on the truck. Shoo, boys. We got her cleaned up. All that chrome shining great. All clean under here. Got the exhaust shined up a little bit. She's looking good. Quick look inside again. Everything's all cleaned up. Doors and everything wiped down. Door jambs all clean. Up front here, good luck. Everything is all cleaned up. She's looking mint. All right, guys, that's a wrap on today's video. Thanks for watching.